Hello students, this is Sarita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see solutions of exercise 14.4. In the I-link above I have shared the link of exercise 14.2 and 14.3. You can go through it. So now in 14.4 the equations have been given and there are the errors that you have to find out and correct those errors. Okay. So you have to solve by LHS and RHS. So this is LHS and this is RHS. So first write LHS, that is 4x minus 5. So on solving this you get 4x minus 20, that is your LHS, but RHS is given as in the question as 4x minus 5, which is not equal to this. These two are not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. And now you have to write the correct statement, correct mathematical statement. That will be here 4x minus 5 should be equal to 4x minus 20 and not 4x minus 5. So this is the correct statement. So you have to write here correct mathematical statement is 4x minus 5 equal to 4x minus 20. Similarly, this one LHS is x 3x plus 2. On opening the bracket, it becomes 3x square plus 2x. But RHS is 3x square plus 2. X is not written. So those are not equal. So the correct sentence is this one. Okay. So everywhere you have to solve the same way. Here now LHS equal to LHS is x plus 2x plus 3x. So these are all x like terms, so you can add it. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6x. But RHS is given as 5x, which is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement should be x plus 2x plus 3x should be equal to 6x and not 5x. So in the green that I have written is the correct statement. Here now LHS equal to 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1y. That is y. So LHS is y and RHS is given as 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement should be 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y should be equal to y and not 0. Here LHS is 3x plus 2x. Now like terms are there, so we can add it. It becomes 5x and RHS is given as 5x square. That is not equal. So this should be the correct statement. In this one also 2x square plus 4, 2x plus 7. If you solve it, this is square, so it becomes 4x square, 8x plus 7. But on the RHS it is given as 2x square, which is not equal. So the correct statement should be here 4x square and not 2x square. Here LHS is 2x square plus 5x. Okay. So it is 4x square plus 5x. But RHS is given as 4x plus 5x equal to 9x, which is not true. So LHS is not equal to RHS. It should be 4x square and these are not the like terms. So you cannot add this. You cannot get 9x here. Okay. So that the LHS should be 2x square. The correct statement should be 2x square plus 5x should be equal to 4x square plus 5x. That's it. This one LHS is 3x plus 2 the whole square. So that gives you first term square plus 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 square. That is the expansion of this a plus b it becomes 9x square plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x plus 4. So, but RHS is given as 3x square plus 6x plus 4, which is not equal. That is wrong. So, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, the correct mathematical statement should be this whole square equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 4. Now, here equation has been given and you have to substitute the value of x as minus 3 and you have to find what answer you get. So, LHS is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4 is the equation. Substitute x equal to minus 3. So, you get the answer as minus 2 here, which is not equal to RHS, which has been given as 15 here. So, the correct answer should be minus 2. So, solve this way. The next one now. So, here LHS equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. Now, substitute minus 3 in place of x. 5 minus 3 plus 4. It becomes 9 plus 15 and plus 4. So, that becomes here 19 plus 9 is 28. So, here it is given as RHS is given as minus 2, which is not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS, and therefore all the statements are incorrect only. You have to make it correct. So, x square minus 5x plus 4 should be equal to 28 and not minus 2. So, in this one also x square plus 5x is LHS. After substituting minus 3, you get minus 6, which is not equal to RHS, which is minus 24. Hence, this should be the correct equation. So, in this one, y minus 3 the whole square, its expansion is y square minus 6y plus 9, but RHS is given as y square minus 9. So, this is the correct statement. So, here LHS equal to z plus 5 the whole square, that is z square. Now, I am writing it directly 2ab. So, that will be 2 into 5 into z is 10z and 5 square is 25. That is your LHS. And RHS is given as z square plus 25. So, here LHS is not equal to RHS. So, the correct statement here is z plus 5 the whole square equal to z square plus 10z plus 25. Okay. This one LHS equal to 2a plus 3b and a minus b. So, multiplying one term with each of the terms in the bracket. So, that will be 2a square minus 2ab. Now, multiply by 3b. So, 3ab minus 3b square. Now, these two are the like terms. So, it will be 2a square plus minus is minus and sign of bigger number 3 minus 2 is 1 ab minus 3b square. That is the LHS, but RHS is given as 2a square minus 3b square. They have not given plus ab. So, here LHS is not equal to RHS. So, the correct statement is 2a plus 3b a minus b should be equal to 2a square plus ab minus 3b square. A plus 4, a plus 2, a square plus 8. So, LHS is here a square plus 6a plus 8, but RHS is given as a square plus 8. So, this is the correct statement. It is necessary to just see how to solve the different type of sums. So, here also LHS equal to a minus 4, a minus 2. Now, you can solve this as you have learned earlier in the algebraic expressions. So, a square plus add these two and multiply by the first term and multiply the second term. So you get this as the equation a square minus 6a plus 8. But RH is given as a square minus 8. So this is the correct statement. Now here LHS is 3x square upon 3x square. On this can be cancelled because both of them are monomial and like terms. So the answer comes here as 1. But RHS is given as 0, which is not equal to RHS. So the correct statement should be 3x square upon 3x square should be equal to 1 and not 0. Now here LHS is, so here LHS is 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Now when monomial is been divided, you can write monomial for the different terms separately. So 3x square upon 3x square plus 1 upon 3x square, as we did earlier in exercise 14.3. Okay, so now this get cancelled here, 3x square get cancelled. So it will be 1 plus 1 upon 3x square. But RHS is given as 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So that is not equal RHS. So the correct mathematical equation is 3x square. So that is 3x square plus 1 the whole upon 3x square should be equal to 1 plus 1 upon 3x square and not 1 plus 1 as 2. This one, now monomial is in the numerator and binomial is at the denominator, so you cannot solve this one. So it should be as it is only. So RHS is, this is equal to this only. It cannot be 1 by 2. Same thing here also. Here denominator is binomial, so you cannot solve it. Okay, and therefore RHS is given as 1 by 4x, which is not equal to this, and therefore the correct mathematical statement is this one. Next one here, LHS is, now it is monomial at the denominator. You can solve it by taking it, the monomial, to each of the terms of the numerator, plus 5 upon 4x. This 4x will get cancelled here, and therefore RHS will be 1 plus 5 by 4x, which is not equal to LHS. Okay, it is written only 5 there. So the correct statement should be 4x plus 5 upon 4x should be equal to 1 plus 5 upon 4x. And last but not the least, this is 7x plus 5 upon 5. So you can take the denominator separately to each of the term of the numerator. Here 5 will get cancelled. This 5 will get cancelled here. So it becomes 1. So LHS equal to 7x plus 5, 7x upon 5 plus 1 on solving it. But RHS is given as 7x, which is not equal. So the correct statement is 7x plus 5 upon 5 equal to 7x upon 5 plus 1. So that's how you have to solve this exercise 14.4. If you have any query, you can drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.